Today I'm joined by Mr. Lian, Chief Analyst at Omdia, and Mr. Wang, President of the NCE Data Communication domain for Huawei's data communication product line. And today we're going to be discussing the challenges and opportunities for IP autonomous networks in the large model era.
I think even though AI has been around in the industry for many years, it has been very difficult to implement. I think first of all, it's actually because of the vast amount of data that's generated. It's very difficult for an IT operation and maintenance personnel to quickly obtain sort of suggestions from all these alarms and logs, because it's just, on one hand, there's just massive amount of data. On the other hand, there is this limited ability for the network equipment to process and understand the insights from all this data. At the same time, they are also very worried about the risk of AI, as they are not willing to put trust in AI, even though sometimes AI, or actually most of the time, AI provides data-driven insights and recommendation, and the AI tends to be quite reliable. So at this stage, the industry hasn't moved sort of beyond manual analysis and decision-making for autonomous network.
Lian, how does the industry as a whole view large models, and what kind of technical readiness and market prospects are we seeing?
Most of the foundation models in the market, whether it be open source or proprietary models, they are not designed for network operations. They are general purpose, so which means they don't really understand the intent behind all this network operation. Second, so all these foundation models are mainly focused on language and image generation. They don't really have the ability to understand sort of what's going on within them. So if the entire industry wants to get closer to TM Forum L4 autonomous network vision, then it does require a lot more carriers to embrace the vision itself, and then a lot more leading network infrastructure vendors like Huawei and other peers in the industry to join force to improve our overall capability in the industry, particularly on responsible and ethical generative AI, as well as sort of our foundational models, integration and deployment, ease of operation, as well as a highly accurate intent understanding.
Okay, so as a leader in the communications industry, Wang, what strategies does Huawei have in place?
At the HNS this year, we officially released the Datacom-oriented Level 4 AN solution. Especially, it is divided into 3 layers. The first layer is about the device's intelligence. Just as a smart car relies on the radar or sensors to detect road conditions, intelligent devices can accurately obtain information such as the packet loss and jitters of the links in the real time to understand the network service details, such as the VPN, the routing, and slicing. Second, network intelligence. Huawei is the first to launch the network digital map industry, which services as the digital base of the IP autonomous network. Based on their digital twin technology, it implements network virtualization, agile service provisioning, and intelligent optimization, ensuring service SLA and improving user experience. Huawei released a network large model application. It's called NetMaster. The network digital map collaborates with the NetMaster to achieve Level 4 autonomous network. Finally, service intelligence. NetMaster has trained 50 billion datacom knowledge and comes with the built-in AI agent capabilities to build scenario-based copilot, covering O&M, security options, and energy-saving scenarios. NetMaster has been deployed in 13 cities in Guangdong province and increases automatic fault diagnosis rate from just 60 to 90%. In the enterprise field, we helped customers in Spain to build a smart variable frequency cameras, reducing energy consumption by 30%. Thanks to our Copilot expert capabilities, proactive network fault detection is achieved, and faults are quickly fixed based on the fault tree. This helps our partner improve O&M efficiency by many times and expand their network management skill by 10 times.
I mean, personally, I kind of felt that Huawei had made the right call by providing a future-proof network automation solutions with extremely high visibility, transparency, that's trustworthy, and then with obviously highly accurate intent capturing and intelligence. I think through the combination of obviously multimodal large language models that can truly understand the network device behaviors and user intent, and coupling that with an AI agent that can convert knowledge and understanding into a series of executable actions, I think Huawei has offered the industry a very clear roadmap towards L4 autonomous network.
Okay, gentlemen, thank you very much for those deep insights into where IP autonomous networks are and where they're heading in relation to L4. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.